Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn noun. Today we are going to learn noun. Repeat with me. Noun. Noun. Alright, first of all, what is noun? The definition of noun, I mean the easiest and the simplest definition of noun is noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal, right? Basically, noun is a word that can be a name of a person, place, thing, or animal, right? For example, noun noun is for person might be Sam, Marina, William. For place, the noun is school, hospital, playground, theme park, and for thing, there are a lot of examples, right? Pencil, paper boat, table, chairs, etc. And for animal, there are examples such as dog, cat, and so on. I have made a model to make this concept more easier. Now, as you can see, pick a stick. I have made a pick a stick box in which there are a lots of pictures pasted on a stick. So let's do an activity to make this concept more easier. I will pick a stick randomly, right? Like this one. Let me show you. Wow. Just tell me, students, which picture is this or which sort of picture is this? Tell me, is this a bus? No. Is this a boat marker? Exactly not. This is a picture of an animal, right? That is a dog. That is a dog. All right, students. Now just tell me, dog is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Again, person, place, thing, or animal. Dog is the name of animal. Very good. Now again I'll pick a state like this. Alright. Our next picture is, just tell me which picture is this? A school. Very good. A school. Alright. Tell me, students, school is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Again, person, place, thing, or animal. Place. Very good. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. I have kept this stick in the place section. Again, I'll choose a stick like this. Now, again, look at this. Which picture is this? Tell me, which picture is this? A chair. Very good. You did well. This is the picture of chair. Chair is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Chair is the name of a thing. Very good. So I'll put it in things section. Now I will choose another stick That is this. Tell me, which picture is this? Very good. A girl. This is a girl. Now, it might be have a name like Sam, Marina, Bella, or etc. Right? So let's suppose her name is Bella. Just tell me, Bella is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Very good. Bella is the name of a person. You did well. Now, again, I will pick a stick like this. I have picked this stick. Now, tell me, which picture is this? This is a hospital. Very good. Now, tell me, which picture is this? This is a hospital. Very good. This is a hospital. So, hospital is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Hospital is the name of a place. We will put in place section. Again, I'll choose a stick. That is a boy. Very good. Which picture is this? A boy. Now this boy, just suppose this boy has a name that is William, right? He is William. So William is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. William is the name of a person. So we will put in person section. Again, another stick. That is a table. Which picture is this? A table. So tell me, table is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Is table is a place? No. Table is a thing. Table is the name of a thing. Now another streak. Alright. This is a house. This is a house. Very good. Tell me, house is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. House is the name of a place. We will put in place section. Now, last stick. Which picture is this? This is a cat. Very good. This is a cat. Now tell me, cat is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Very good. Cat is the name of animal. So we will put in animal section. Hope you guys learned something new and liked my video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting. Bye bye.